Hey guys, today we'll be playing Among Us, but if I get voted out, I get cut in half and eaten by hyenas or dogs. I get eaten by hyenas or dogs. So I don't want to die. I hope I don't get voted out. Okay, let's do this. Oh, these guys look nice. I think they'll be my friends. Hold on, I'm gonna ask them if they want to be my friend. Hi guys! You guys wanna be my friend? You can be best friends. You guys wanna be my friend? Do you guys wanna be my friend? Please, I wanna be friends. Please, I want friends. Please. No. No, what? No, man. You know what? Maybe they won't vote me. I'll just skip. Guys, just skip. Guys, you need to skip. Skip, guys. We need to skip. No! Wait. What? No.